Hello, in this video we're going to do some role play practice. Okay, what I'd like you to do is to watch the video and to make some notes as if you were given this role play task in the exam. You should have practiced doing these before in class. It'll give you a chance to really practice. So what I'd like you to do is to watch the video. You're going to read the candidate's tasks, that's what you will see in the real exam. You can also look at the teacher's notes, which I'm going to go through as well. Remember, you won't have access to these in the real exam, just to give you a bit of extra help. You can make some notes on paper. In the real exam, you have 12 minutes for both the role play and the photo card, but obviously you can have as long as you need because it's just practice. And then what would be a really good idea if you could listen to me asking the questions. So I'm going to record myself answering the questions and leave a little pause for you to answer. And it would be brilliant if you could record yourself doing this and send those back to me as a file. If you don't want to do that or you find it difficult to do that, you could just write your notes down on paper or type them and send them to me that way. Okay, this is the task. You are talking to your Senegalese friend about school. Your teacher will play the part of your friend. You should address your friend as tu. Right, this is really important. So you know already that there's two different words in French for you. There's tu, which is for friends and informal situations, and vous, which is for more formal situations. You must make sure that you check which one it is. It might be an idea to highlight that in the real exam. Remember, when you see the exclamation mark, you have to respond to something you've not prepared. Okay, so that's an extra question, but no questions are a complete surprise because you can guess from the context. So you know that this role play is all about school. So you might be able to guess, if you know what the other questions are, what the final one could be, and you could even make some notes on it. When you see the question mark, you have to ask a question. So you should have already learnt in the lessons that 90% of the questions could be answered with "Quelle est ton opinion de?" or "Quelle est votre opinion de?" if it's vous, and then just say the word on the card, right? That normally does work. It actually does work with this, but what would be even better, if you say l'heure, you know that means time. So you could say quelle heure, yeah? Okay, have a look at the card that you've got there. It's in a red box. Tu parles avec ton ami sénégalais du collège. You're talking to your Senegalese friend about school. Ton collège opinion. Right, it only asks for one opinion, so you just give an opinion. So it could be j'aime and something about the school. Le premier cours est quand? When is the first lesson? So you could say le premier cours commence and then a time. Right, question mark 1, you're going to ask me a question. So remember, you could just say quelle est ton opinion de? But it would be even better if you said l'heure du déjeuner, c'est quelle heure? Okay, give me some ideas there. Right, if it just says tes profs, it could be your opinion about your teachers or something about what they're like. And then there's an unpredicted question. You can see there, I've actually told you what it is. If you look at the teacher's notes, I'm going to ask you what your favourite school day is. Okay, so you get full marks even if you just said a day of the week. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, etc. Yeah, and maybe you could add why, and then I'll go d'accord, and that's the end of the role play. Right, this is the role play card. If you need to have some time, you can pause this and make some notes. Right, so it'll be a good time to pause it now, and then I'm going to read the teacher's part, and I'm going to leave you a little pause between each one for you to answer. Ok, maintenant c'est le jeu de rôle. Tu parles avec ton ami sénégalais du collège. Quelle est ton opinion du collège? Le premier cours commence à quelle heure? Now you'd have to ask me a question. D'accord. Comment est ton opinion de tes profs? Et finalement, quel est ton jour de collège préféré? Okay, thank you, Year 10. Right, I would like you to record yourselves if possible, or just make notes on those and send them to me or your other teacher by email. Thank you.